Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a yummy snack with marshmallows. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, and 6 cups of your favorite crispy rice cereal. Make sure your baking dish, perhaps a 9 by 13-inch pan, is well greased. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process, setting the stage for a truly delightful treat. Once your butter is perfectly melted, it's time for the star of the show, the marshmallows. Add the entire 10-ounce bag to the pan and stir continuously over low heat until they transform into a smooth, gooey liquid. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. As soon as they are fully melted, take the pan off the heat. Then, carefully fold in your 6 cups of crispy rice cereal, ensuring every piece is wonderfully coated in that sweet, sticky goodness. Now that your mixture is ready, transfer it into your greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. To prevent sticking, lightly butter your spatula or use a piece of wax paper to press the mixture down firmly and evenly. This creates a compact and consistent snack. Once pressed, resist the urge to dig in immediately. Let your delicious creation cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour. Patience is key for perfect texture. After your marshmallow snack has fully cooled and set, it's time for the best part, cutting and serving. You can cut them into classic 2-inch squares, fun triangles, or any shape you desire. For easy removal, you might want to lightly grease your knife. These delightful treats are best enjoyed fresh, but any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Share your yummy creation and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.